Hello and welcome back to our live reaction for Vending Machine Episode 2. I'm X Creek. I'm X Creek, that's Azalfan and Kenny.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright, let's begin. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Just give up on pronouncing
I-
the
I-
real title.
I give up. What is this?
Oh,
What do you
thank God
mean,
it's
what's the
Hello.
deal with this bear? You're a vending machine.
Yeah.
You're
Which is
weirder.
weirder, a talking bear or not really a talking vending machine, but
It's like a sentient vending machine.
sentient vending machine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might be an SCP or something.
Yeah, he kinda is.
The Hunter Association, is this Hunter Hunter?
Yeah, of course. Well,
Wait,
this
what?
blacksmith lady said
Hang
she
on a
wants to
minute.
be a hunter,
The
right?
two of you?
Yeah.
Why would you request I want the two of you, you and that vending machine, to fight the frogs? Like what? Oh.
Oh, I think
You have to word that differently, Mr. Bear.
okay.
I don't think that girl did any gardening.
No, the vending machine
The
needs
vending
guarding.
needs, yeah.
Well, the vending machine can use kekai, right?
I mean,
barrier.
that costs point. If there's a guard, that's free, right?
Wait, no. I thought the barrier is talent, like God's gift, so it should be free.
No, he paid for the barrier to be up.
But what was the God's gift? And I forget.
I actually don't know.
Not sure.
Not sure. Oh boy, that ranger girl eating a lot of instant noodles. That's not good for you. Also, speaking of which, with how this vending machine is so popular in that village, in like a few months, people there are all going to have diabetes.
Yeah. Please eat moderately, people.
Yeah, look, if you drink like one soda every day, stop it. Get some help. Don't drink that. Like, if you want to drink that, like maybe twice a week, once a week. Don't
Hey,
drink.
what the crap is the opening? It's just... Oh, okay.
It's just her, yeah, doing that, and the vending machine comes from the sky. And everyone holding balloons.
Wait, those are different vending machines just now.
Is it? Maybe, I don't know, maybe he can change form later
Yeah,
on.
even one of the vending machine is a jukebox.
No. I think that's just a jukebox, right? Or
Oh.
maybe there's someone else who got isekai as a jukebox. Damn,
Okay.
people just become weird ass machines.
So one of the
random
character
things.
looks like that Machi main character.
Huh?
Wait, which one?
This one, the blue, the white hat one.
Huh? I
Well,
mean, he looks
I mean,
generic
that's
enough.
a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah,
white
it's
hair and
generic
then
white
brown
hair guy.
clothes. Really look like him.
I guess. He has brown clothes.
Wow, his hair is white and his name is Zero. His hair is red. His name is Aka. Wow.
Oh, very creative.
Hmm.
Holy crap! They're letting the girl carry the vending machine. I thought it would be on the cart or something.
I mean, she does use like strength enhancing spell or whatever, right?
I hope so.
I think so. I think they mentioned that last episode. I think. Also, why does she need to carry it herself? Why can't you put this vending machine on the carriage?
Yeah, that's what I was meant to say.
No, I thought you meant that why didn't someone else carry you?
Lemon tea. Nice choice.
Hmm.
But they cannot read the text, right?
Probably not.
I don't think so.
Well, the text themselves is written in 2 languages,
Yeah,
maybe more.
both languages shouldn't be shouldn't be available in this world. Maybe.
It's magic.
I'm surprised like no one is suspicious at the machine. Like they would just buy stuff and drink it and act as if, oh, this is fine. This is all drinkable and totally safe. We don't need to check whether this
Yeah.
is like unsafe or
Have side
poison.
effect or something.
Yeah, like it's fine. Oh,
Wait, what?
oh, oh. You're a sentient
How do you
vending
explain the
machine.
refilling then?
Yeah. How do you refill? Do you just eat money and poop drinks? Huh? Okay.
Yeah, what was your blessing again? But the camps are already set. What's the point of saying that?
Does it? Oh.
Instant noodle.
Wait, how do they know how to cook that?
I think it's already
It's
cooked.
their instruction.
I mean, they don't have. They still have to cook the hot water, right? Cook the water.
Let's see. It is
That's a
cooked
lot
or
of
not?
instant noodles.
Well, I guess. Chop man.
I mean,
That's
like,
not healthy.
Some
like
brand.
how do you explain how to cook the instant noodle to people who never seen instant
That's
noodles?
why I thought it's already cooked. So let's
No, that can't be right.
I guess there is instruction in the form of drawing at the side of the cup noodle.
I suppose. So with the vending machine on your back, or
Yeah, I think I'll just use the kekai, a barrier.
yeah, I guess he'll be like a stationary barrier dispenser. That would help. Calling her a friend is, I guess she did carry you around
Without any payment, right?
without any payment, which is kind of weird. Like she doesn't get anything out of it. Totsugeki. Oh wait.
Otsugeki.
Oh, battle axe. Nice choice.
Ooh. What do you mean? What do you mean together? What is he supposed to do?
Barrier.
Ooh.
Wait, what?
Oh,
Wait, what? What do you mean?
What happened?
What?
What?
If
What kind of
anything,
explanation is that?
if anything, having you on the back reduces her balance.
Yeah, because you have to crouch. No, not quite crouch. She has to bend forward.
Yeah. Oh.
All right. Looking
Oh,
good
that's
so
a lot of
far,
frogs.
but yeah, there's still a lot.
No, those are not fish. Those are frogs. It's starting to get froggy.
Oh my god. No. No.
He said pork wagon just now. Is it really pork inside, or is it pork meat inside? What
I
happened?
isn't it like pulled by a huge? I don't know.
See,
Hey, there you
barrier.
go. Yeah, barrier.
Also, that frog
That's...
is not wearing clothes. Holy crap!
Oh yeah, that's the pervert frog compared to the
Oh my
others.
god.
Yeah, it's the vending machine.
Yeah, who else?
Oh, what? You should browse these on your free time. How does she know that he just got that upgrade? Wait, so sooner or later he'll get the upgrade to properly speak, right?
Maybe.
Should be.
Yeah. You know what's more impressive? That's that she's
Oh
carrying
my
that
god,
vending
there's Trickers
machine.
frogs now.
Ooh.
Yeah, well.
Yeah.
How do you know? You can't even. I guess he just got the power to see his back, right? Oh, that's kind of grim. Uh, wow. At least pretend to help.
Wow.
So the captain has some wrinkles on him. I guess he used to worry a lot.
Hmm. Uh,
No money for you though.
I mean, he gets 3 points. Maybe?
Do you get like XP point for killing these frogs?
No, I don't think so. I mean, but if he sticks around, people will buy more stuff from him, right?
There is. Oh, holy crap!
I mean, I guess she is very strong too. Well, she is carrying the vending machine, right? So, oh, you can just give those for free?
What are those potions? An enemy, where? Oh.
It's basically Pocari Sweat, right?
Oh, I guess. Does it heal
That
you?
doesn't heal wounds.
It's pocket sweat.
It buffs you. It buffs you.
Pockets.
Don't worry.
That name is disgusting. I mean, for some people it's disgusting. For some people it's the insert that Yu-Gi-Oh meme here. But it depends on whose Sweat.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, what does it
It
mean?
means it's a very good breeding season for the frogs.
Oh, it's King Frog? It's like a frog fiend, but the king.
Oh.
I mean, wouldn't it make more sense if it's like the frog queen instead of
Maybe
a
it's just
king?
male.
Because if it's just the king, it doesn't really explain why there are a lot of frog fiends.
Yeah.
If it's a queen, that would make more sense.
Maybe the frog king can make the female one more fertile.
Maybe, whatever. Hmm.
Well, you might look like lovers by who?
Yeah, but who? That's what you think. Also, why is she? Oh,
Oh no, Yamete! Hey, free food.
Oh,
oh,
ouch.
It's a trap! Actually, 2 free food.
Really,
Oh.
dude?
Wait, what about the barrier?
Yeah.
I mean, he can just use it.
Bye.
Yamete! Is it? Oh, the frog king really looks like the. Wow, it looks worse than in the imagination.
Yeah, that's kind of like
that
a
looks
hybrid,
really weird.
kind of like a hybrid of frog and walrus.
Yeah, that looks really
Because
weird.
he's fiery.
What the hell?
Whoa, they're talking. Oh, never
Oh,
mind.
that's why it's called.
Oh,
Yeah, it's pulled by pigs.
Yeah.
Oh,
What?
wait, you just let them go? Oh, you're pulling it?
Oh.
What? Man, she's stronger than 2 boars.
I don't think she's faster than 2 boars with that.
Use your barrier, man.
I don't think that'll help much.
What do you mean? She's like further away from than the wounded ones.
You know what? If she can pull this, the whole thing, what can you do? Use what? 0-calorie cola? You let people drink that and they became angry? Like,
No, I
oh
think
my
he's using
god.
it as projectile. Oh, wait.
What? Ah, I know. So the plan is to give the Frog King diabetes.
Okay, I guess.
No, it's 0-calorie though.
Whoa, what?
What is?
What?
Whoa,
What?
it is the jukebox in the opening. It's him then. He can change form.
Oh yeah, so he can just turn into any kind
Oh
of.
no, it's Mentos, not Mentos. I mean.
Oh, he's
He
going
is
to make
actually
like
using them for projectiles.
a soda cannon.
Ah.
Does that even help against like a giant demonic frog?
Well, it's a fire type, so maybe it's weak against soda type.
Oh yeah, that's true. Maybe.
But where are the Avengers?
Answer the goddamn Mentos. I guess they don't know about that.
what you gonna do now?
Maybe you should browse which upgrade you can take and take the one where you can talk. Or better yet, you should have browsed that like a few days ago.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, sacrifice this dude. It's fine, right? Oh.
Yep.
Well, now he's getting diabetes. Oh,
Oh,
well,
no.
he's dead.
Oh boy.
Someone should probably
Oh,
help that
here
guy,
we
though.
go. Oh, the madness.
Oh my god.
Yes,
I think everyone
yes.
knows about this.
Accept these people because
I mean, yes.
you know.
I mean, why does he need to explain this to us, the viewers?
Just in case you don't know.
I guess just in case someone who lives in a cave for the last like 30 years.
Shake it, shake it.
You don't even need to shake it. Oh my god.
Aim for the weak point for critical damage.
It's just actually funny that this is brought up to the show.
Oh, the back are not firing.
It's not a box currently. Now he is.
What the crap was that? Yeah, don't worry about the boar. We'll catch them again. I guess they should do it right about now because they need them to move the cart, right? They don't want what's the main character name again?
The main character is
Forgot.
the
Who's the
vending
blacksmith
machine.
again? Who's the
Oh.
blacksmith girl again?
I forgot her name. So yeah, I think this is all like his alternate
all of them, I
forms,
think.
including the jukebox, huh?
Yeah.
What the crap, man?
Right, the girl's name is Lamis.
You don't want Lance to pull the pork cart all the way to the next town.
Yeah. Well, maybe they have a way to recapture the pigs.
But is that little leaking lamb?
Yeah, I was about to say. I think she's like, what do you call it? Like,
What?
Like us-bearing lammy.
yeah, like bleh, something like that. But it looks like
Ah.
she's licking Lammy's arm. Holy crap, it is. I thought it was just the white-haired guy who's called Shiro. The red-haired guy is actually called Akka. Okay.
Well. It's a sign color for everyone with different hair colors.
Well, I know, but it's just those two. Like the blue-haired girl isn't called Owl.
I guess.
And like the ranger and the ranger girl isn't called like, I don't know, Midori. Oh well, whatever, I guess. All right then. That was something. So I'm guessing maybe wait, what was the title for the next episode?
Rebuilding.
Oh, rebuilding. Okay. Also, they have like hot springs there, I guess, because of what she's wearing.
Yes.
Maybe. Okay. Yeah, all right. So hopefully in episode 3 or 4 he learns how to talk without just the pre-programmed voices. Yeah.
That would be a great upgrade for and makes it far easier.
Yeah. Well, I'm guessing it's either next episode or the episode after, probably, right? But we'll see. All right, that was vending machine the anime. Yeah, episode 2. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Bye.